I got into this business to work on cars. Software is a secondary. I just need it to work. European coverage is extremely important to me. Our shop is European-centric only, so it's extremely important to have a broad range of European coverage. Navigation-wise, the software is very simple. I don't see a reason why a tech couldn't self-learn the software in under an hour. The other devices on hand were definitely slower, weren't very intuitive, a bit clumsy, definitely not as quick, not as efficient at all. The coverage provided by the ADS unit far exceeds everything I've seen up until now. I'm not an IT guy, so when a product like this, designed by techs for techs, becomes available, I love it.